If you want to draw a galaxy, I would start with not a complete black, but a very, very, very dark purple. Next, you're going to want to use an airbrush and brush whatever shapes you want in whatever colors you want the galaxy to be. Purples, blues, pinks, greens. Now you're going to want to do another layer. This is the coolest part. I highly suggest using a cloud brush, any type of cloud brush, and scatter it over where you put the color and set that layer to overlay. And you're already going to be getting a pretty cool galaxy going. Now if you're not quite happy with how the color balance is, you can add with an airbrush some darker parts or some lighter parts. Black for parts of the galaxy you want darker, and maybe an overlay of white for parts that you want brighter. And of course, to finish it off, you're going to want stars. I use a default brush in Photoshop called Watercolor Splatter Big Drops, but any kind of speckle should work. I always do one layer of an overlay for the stars that are really far away. I do a layer of very small stars, medium-sized stars, and a couple big ones. And soon enough, you got yourself a galaxy.